Cyberpunk 2077! Cyberpunk 2077!
Great game, by the way.
That's my alarm in the morning when I wake up. Cyberpunk 2077! Even though I don't get a chance to play it.
Yeah.
You do.
Well, you played it a little bit.
I mean, I'm in the training right now.
Stadia.
I'm playing like in 5-minute blinks. People would be very upset to know the way I'm having to play the game. Anyway, they came out and said, look, we get it. You're on one of these old consoles and you're having a subpar experience. That's we don't like that. We don't want that either. We see all your messages. So they come out with the big statement with the yellow background, which is, it's serious when. Cyberpunk statement, yellow background, CD Projekt Red in the corner.
Elon Musk, he replied to it.
Yeah, what did he say? I took a week off work. What did he say?
Oh, he's not happy. Oh, no. Is that him?
What? No, he just reposted a screenshot from a Reddit thread. I don't know why. I cried myself to say, I think about the game and I don't even want to touch my PS4. This is supposed to be the future of gaming, and now I don't know what to do, what else I have to look forward to. I don't know. He's just joining in the conversation there. Anyway, they came out and said that they're going to refund purchasers that are upset with the game, that are not getting the experience that they want on a PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. And we all know that they're mostly referring to the people that have the old consoles, the first version. Base. You do not like the word base right now if you're a gamer. Base anything does not sound good right now if you're a gamer. So if you have base last-gen hardware, you're getting the worst Cyberpunk experience of anyone. You're even getting a worse experience than those that are on the streaming services, and there's many that have corroborated that story, that's the case. So Cyberpunk says, look, we do intend on fixing the thing a little bit. We're going to do what we can do to improve the performance of the game, fix the big issues. That's going to happen over time. However, we understand that you may be upset, in which case we are going to offer the refund. And my advice would be to these individuals that have the opportunity for the refund is to take the refund right now and play it on another platform. Or play it on another platform.
Yeah.
Because I did the whole segment on Stadia. You don't need to buy anything. They're giving you the hardware right now. So it's the same amount of money, the title, and then you can use whatever hardware you have sitting around. Worst case scenario, if you only have a TV, then all you need is a Chromecast. But as I said, that original promo was going to include that right now for people who buy the game. So in reality, for the price of the game, you can get a much better experience right now if you do buy it on Stadia, and then for 1080p at least, because then there'd be no monthly fee either. So there's an option right there. If you take the refund, you can improve your situation immediately. Some people are also saying it's a bit shady how CD Projekt Red didn't show off the game on those platforms, but was willing to sell it. And however, they sent all the reviewers PC versions.
Yes.
Which is obviously the best way to play it.
Yeah.
And people were saying, hey, at least let us know what it's going to look like before we spend the money and before we get our hopes up. And there's something to be said for that. That's a valid argument. However, they say that they're going to offer up the refund.